Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive multiple posts on Facebook using your PC. If you've archived several posts in the past and want to restore them all at once, it's easier than ever with this new update. Let's go through the steps together. 1. First, open Facebook on your computer. 2. Next, click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile. 3. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 dots next to your cover photo. Click on those dots to open a menu. 4. From the menu, select Archive. This will open your archive, where all your past posts are stored. 5. Now, you'll see a list of your archived posts. To unarchive multiple posts, simply check the box next to each post you want to restore. You can select as many posts as you want. 6. After selecting the posts, click the Restore button. A confirmation message will pop up, asking you to confirm the action. Confirm it, and the selected post will be restored to your profile. That's it. You've now successfully unarchived multiple posts on Facebook. It's a fast and easy way to bring back multiple posts without having to restore them one by one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.